Have you ever been scuba diving? Neither have I. Nevertheless, it's worth knowing that scuba is short for self-contained underwater breathing apparatus. And do you know what light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation is? You probably know it as laser. Here's something that we often enjoy on social media, GIF or GIF, which stands for Graphic Interchange Format. Let me tell you ASAP what this type of abbreviation is called: acronym. It's typically formed by using the first letters of the words in a phrase. And what's common to the acronyms that I just discussed is that they are all inventions with cumbersome descriptors, and acronyms are a simpler way to name them. And ASAP? Well, that's short for as soon as possible, but I'm sure you knew that. YOLO is the abbreviation of the phrase "you only live once." Words like this are first spelt with all caps, but over time people start writing them with lowercase letters like this. Here are two acronyms we get from the American Army. The first one is AWOL, which is shortened from absent without official leave. When a soldier committed this offense, he had AWOL written in a report against him. Later on, it became a word in its own right, and people would say, "so and so has gone AWOL." The second acronym is snafu. It's short for situation normal, all fouled up. It means mess or chaos. Actually, the original army version of this was situation nominal, all effed up. And I'll let you figure out what's the full form of effed. If someone asks you to give them your PIN number, don't. Firstly, because it's unsafe, and secondly, because PIN stands for Personal Identification Number. So when somebody asks you for your PIN number, they're asking you for your Personal Identification Number, which doesn't make any sense. Sometimes an acronym is formed with syllables instead of letters. Benelux is the economic union of 3 neighboring European monarchies: Belgium, Netherlands, and Luxembourg. Sometimes an acronym is a mix of letters and syllables. Alpha-methylphenethylamine is shortened to amphetamine, a powerful drug you should never abuse. Sometimes an acronym is pronounced partially as a letter and partially as a word, like JPEG for Joint Photographic Experts Group. Other abbreviations, such as HIV for Human Immunodeficiency Virus, are pronounced as a string of letters and not as a word. So it's not HIV, but HIV. Purists don't consider abbreviations like this as acronyms. We also have fake or folk acronyms, sometimes called backronyms. COP is supposed to stand for Constable on Patrol, and GOLF for Gentlemen Only, Ladies Forbidden. These were made up by somebody with a sense of humor. Organizations have given us acronyms like NATO, North Atlantic Treaty Organization. All in all, there are so many acronyms being created. When someone tells you a new one, you should ask them if it's YABA compatible. YABA stands for Yet Another Bloody Acronym. I'm 10, in other words, the English nut. Bye for now.